Hey there, this is Peyton here with Profit Daylight, and on this video, I wanted to clarify a little bit about previous video where I talk about global settings, specifically the fonts, and I just wanted to ensure that you understood the need of adding fonts that match inside of Elementor. So if you recall on a previous video, I was on this window where I was showing you the hamburger menu, and underneath the hamburger menu, one of the settings is site settings and global fonts. So actually we added this font, the one that says new font. In other words, if I come and I add an element here, let me just add this element here, and let me just type something random. Let's just type correction. And if I select this heading, I can come over to style, and I can come to typography, and I can just touch the new font that I created. However, just like with colors in Elementor, we have a primary typography, a secondary typography, a text typography, and an accent typography. Actually, you can see that here by coming over to the hamburger menu and coming over to site settings and going into global font. So we have primary, secondary, text, and accent. So the only purpose of this video is just to clarify that there is a need of making sure that you are using fonts that match. I had previously talked about selecting fonts on other videos. So this is a website that you can go to ensure that you select custom fonts. You can probably watch that video somewhere popping up here on my left, on the right side of my head. And if I scroll down here, you have fonts in header and text, and you can be sure that these match. So as you can see, definitely there is a difference between the headers. The letters are different. I can continue scrolling down, scrolling down. Let's say this one, for example, space mono. If I wanted my, following the concept of the colors, if I wanted my heading, for example, the primary color is used for heading and icons. So a primary font is also going to be used for headings and icons. So if I wanted my headings to be like this color here, space mono, what I will do is to replace, instead of adding others, you can add, because Elementor will give you the ability to add other colors, but you can come here to primary and you can select the pencil to edit it, and here under the family, you type the color that you are looking for. I think it was something like mono. I'm sorry, space mono. Yep, space mono. So that will be your headers, and so on, so on. Like, for example, your text. What is your text going to be? In this case, the one that matched with this header and text, say space mono and space mono. So has the same font for both of them, but most likely it has a different type of weight. You can come here and modify the weight for the fonts that you are entering. So I just wanted to make sure and ensure that you understood correctly. You have multiple font pairs that you can select here on fontpair.co. This is another one that is clearly different to this one. So in this case, they're using BioRhyme and Space Mono. BioRhyme will be the title or the heading, and Space Mono will be the text. So in that case, if I wanted my header or my headings or my titles to be BioRhyme or look like BioRhyme, all I'll do is I'll come over here and look for it here, bio. Okay, there you go, BioRhyme. And I can then modify the weight and the way it looks. So just wanted to clarify again, make sure that you're using fonts that match in pairs actually, and you are good to go. You can select which one is going to be for your buttons. For example, accent will most likely be for your buttons because the accent colors are used for link, button, backgrounds, tab, and accordion headings. So most likely the accent text will be also used for your buttons. So just wanted to make sure once more that you are clear with that. Just go over to fontpeer.co and select some fonts that match in Peer and go ahead and enter them into Elementor and you're good to go. So I would like to appreciate you for watching my videos. Let's go ahead and give me a thumbs up if you feel like the content of these videos is good. And I will definitely continue posting more videos around Elementor. Until then, I appreciate you for your time. Thanks for watching my videos and have a wonderful day.